Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can lock Instagram application in our any iPhone. So first of all, without wasting any delay, without wasting any time, without wasting any further time, let's proceed. So first of all, you have to jump to the Shortcuts app. We all have this application in our iPhones. Just open Shortcuts app here, and now just you need to jump to the automation section below, written over there. Click on new automation, click on apps, just find here by swiping up apps, tap on is open, tap on run immediately, click on choose. Now select the application which you want to lock. I'm going to lock my Instagram app. Click on done, click on next. Here is showing new blank automation. Click on this one. Now click on add action. I know I'm doing right like fast, but you have to follow me. Okay, then you have to search for lock screen, LOCK, lock screen. There you go, lock screen is here. Click on done, and that's it. Now you're good to go. Whenever you're just trying to open Instagram, this phone will be locked. So you need to verify your Face ID, or either you can enter your password to unlock your iPhone, and your Instagram will be also unlocked. So just open Instagram and your phone will be locked. So this is the very simple way. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. And when you unlock your phone will be, your Instagram will be unlocked. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.